Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, kumusta po kayo? Punta ulit tayo dito sa DepEd Order number 18 Series of 2025. Ito ay implementing guidelines ng ARAL program or Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning Program. Ano ba ang benefits nito sa teachers? Siyempre may mas malaki ang benefits nito sa mga estudyante, nabasa ko ito kanina, meron pong assessment na gagawin at pipili po ng mga learners na isasama sa program, Siyempre yung medyo mababa yung kanilang mga scores sa assessment. Meron kanya-kanyang mga assessment tools na gagamitin para sa reading, sa mathematics at saka sa science. Ngayon, ano ba ang benefits nito sa mga teachers? Tingnan po natin. Eto, punta tayo sa L. Remuneration of teachers, para teachers and pre-service teachers who serve as tutors, So maliban po sa certificate of recognition, syempre ay meron pong makukuhang pera ang mga tutors natin. So nakalagay dito, teachers who serve as tutors shall be given additional remuneration in the form of teaching overload pay on top of their existing compensation subject to the pertinent provisions of RA 4670 or Magna Carta for public school teachers and the existing rules and regulations of DepEd and the Department of Budget and Management, DBM. The said compensation for teachers shall be granted for regular school days provided that they have already rendered the prescribed 6 hours of actual classroom teaching, and the amount paid for the purpose shall not exceed for 2 hours based on the prime hourly teaching rate consistent with DBM guidelines. So, kung kayo ay maging tutors pero meron na kayong 6 hours na teaching load, tapos kayo ay mag-tutor pa sa araw na yon, ay meron po kayong overtime pay. Pero yung ARAL program kasi merong weekends, so I think every Saturday merong 2 hours. Kaya yun pa rin ay sure yun nababayaran, Tapos nakalagay dito, the payment shall be given in accordance with the parameters and procedures provided in DO5 Series of 2024 or Rationalization of Teachers' Workload and Payment of Teaching Overload. DepEd Memorandum Number 53 Series of 2024. Implementation for DepEd Order Number 5 Series of 2024 and relevant issuances that may be issued by the department. So talagang maganda na merong bayad, Meron din namang remuneration ng mga teachers or sweldo sa pag-tutor. Meron kasi yung puro lang service credit. Tapos nakalagay dito, for tutoring services provided during weekends, holidays, and long vacation, teachers shall be granted vacation service credits based on the actual services rendered. Pursuant to DO 13 Series of 2024, revised guidelines on the grant of vacation service credits for teachers, earned service credits through the implementation of ARAL program shall be excluded from the 30-day limitation of the allowable VECs to be earned within the year. The additional compensation of teachers shall be subject to existing guidelines on the payment of teaching overload and grant of vacation service credits. Yun, meron ding service credits. Okay. Then, doon naman sa mga para-teachers and other trained individuals who serve as tutors under the ARAL program may be engaged under contract of service or job order, subject to Civil Service Commission on Audit, and Department of Budget and Management Joint Circular Number 2, Series of 2020. So, kukuha ng job order. Ito yung mga para-teacher ay yung mga hindi pa nasa service, mga graduate sa education, mga nasa applicants pool, or mga college students, So they shall receive compensation for services rendered with the amount not below the minimum daily wage rates set by the National Wages Productivity Commission per region, subject to the availability of funds. DepEd through the regional offices or SDOs shall enter into an agreement with the teacher education institution and concerned LGUs as to the incentives of the pre-service teachers and remuneration of other qualified individual hired as tutors. Itong magiging tutors, kung ikaw ay applicant sa DepEd, malaking tulong ito kasi nagiging priority kayo sa items. Okay, number 86. Services rendered for pre-service teachers who serve as tutors shall be considered relevant teaching experience. Magiging experience nyo na. When applying for a plantilla position in the DepEd, subject to the relevant rules and regulations of CEC and the merit selection plan and hiring guidelines of DepEd, TEC shall monitor the implementation of this provision. So yun po. So napakarami palang benefits kung ikaw ay magiging tutor nitong ARAL program. So yun lang po muna ang ating update mga ka-JSNabs. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pero nagagawa. Bye-bye!